How to delete your TaxAct account. So for this, open a browser and then go ahead and search for taxact.com. Now go ahead and sign in into your TaxAct account. Now once you are signed in, at the very top you will see account setting. You simply have to tap on the option of account setting. Then once you do that, you will see the account deletion and deactivation option. Simply go ahead and tap on the option. Now before deleting an account, make sure that you know that you will be deleting the history, the payment of your taxes as well, that is linked with your TaxAct account. If you still want to remove your account, make sure that you have to add some of the verification identity that it asks for to make sure that it is really you. You also have to describe the reason behind why you really want to delete your account. And once it is rest assured that it is really you and verified and everything checks out, you will be able to delete your account. To check if your account is successfully deleted, try to log in. If you are able to log into your account, make sure to wait until 24 hours, then try to log in back again. If you cannot sign in to your account, it is sure that your account has been successfully removed. You can also go ahead and check out the Help Center of TaxAct. For this, at the very top, you will see the option called Support. So you have to go ahead and tap on the support icon right here. Then head to where it says Support. Now once you are here, you can go ahead and search for articles related with the issue. If not, there is a chat option right here where an assistant will guide you through the process. So go ahead and give this video a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.